Okay, so hopefully now that we're moving past our addition, subtraction, multiplying, and dividing, when we move into decimals, those core skills should be feeling a bit more comfortable. So we're going to do some of Unit 6 adding with decimals, and we've gone over decimals previously, but we're going to just recap a couple of things. First thing that's really important with decimals is that your decimal points must line up when you're doing your adding and subtracting. So at the moment, I can see in question 1 that they want us to buy 4 137.99 screwdrivers. And so when I write them, they all have to line up underneath each other so that it's looking nice. And then there's also a 22.75 hammer that we're going to buy. So when I add all these together, I'm going to work through this column first, then this one. I'm going to have my decimal in the middle, then I'm going to do this one, then this one, and then this one. So I'm going to get you to work on doing that working out for me, showing me your adding skills so that we can check that we remember how to do that. Cool, so we're going to go on to question 2, and so we'll do this one together, and that will give us a chance to double check if we got our question 1 correct. So 39.95 for a drill, and we're also going to have 29.95 for a drill bit, but a 44.55 hole saw, and we're buying clamps for 19.45. So you'll see again, everything is nicely underneath each other, and my decimal points are mostly in line. And so I'm going to start with this first column. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 20. Carry the 2. 9 plus 9 is 18. Plus 2 is 20. 25, 29. Put my decimal point in. Carry the 2. 18, 20, 24, 33. Carry 3. And then 3, 5, 8, 9, and 13. Carry the 13 over. 133.90. So question 3 is exactly the same. We've got our 3 measurements that we need to do, and we're going to find the total by adding them all together. So I'll get you to show me you're working out on that one. Question 4, we've got a pine of this length, and we've got another one of this length, and we're going to get our total. And again, total is another word for adding. So we're going to add them together, and you'll show me you're working out. Question 5, we have an apprentice is buying all of these different things. And again, we're going for the total. So when we do it, we're going to make sure that we are adding everything together, lining it all up really nicely, making sure that we're starting from the right hand side and then moving our way across. For question 6, we are traveling some distances. Same thing again, making sure we keep our decimals in line, making sure that we keep our numbers in straight columns. In question 7, we're going to do the same thing where we've got 2 pieces of a screwdriver that we're adding together. And for question 8, we've been given 2 pieces of MDF. One's this big, one's this big. How big are they together? So again, combined length is just another way of thinking about doing addition. So that is our section A, page 1. In page 2, we've got question 9, where he's completing 3 different jobs that we're going to add them together. And then for question 10, we've got 4 sides that are this length. So we're going to have to add 4 of those together. So I'll get you to set up your working out, show it to me, and then we can check that we're doing our steps correctly. If you're stuck on your addition, go back to Unit 4 addition, where there's some explanatory videos that will go through the steps to help you.